Asem yidika. Asem yidiko. Asem yidika.
Inna beka.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano said it here.
Kan say that na fiada. Ye nyina de ta kan say bojaye. Yenso ye boye mbonja hwe. Memre da kwesi ada na juada ya say evrem na. Ye say bas. But nyame ayi from a juada to a fiada. Wa hwe so abo ehun ban ma. Whatever this happen so say na aseda na de e man happy birthday and confirm ma. Kwaku Ignatius. We free wakasa unua ba Marian Sako de ewo ene unnuanum ne abusua enka nyinam so wish you all the best. Nyame nhira no onyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa. So happy birthday Ignatius, wishing you all the best. Medini akwasinsia asebi de kabre ena asu. And I don't pay ye be the Ghana water, ye be the electricity for ehon enkomo. But no, I catch you say, and yet the acting managing director of Ghana Water Company Limited, Befi Juemo. Erunti fire ninja na be ko mpense mu. And then ye be fire. Wa wunya bra wo hwe no, una be fire. Wo be bisa questions no wonya anu ye and manim ya. So that's what you are going to do on mpense mu. Ba Asem de kan me do ko GRE. The local Ghana Revenue Authority. Florence and Rami went to me and Florence Asante on the year head of public affairs at the Ghana Revenue Authority. Me fro by him said went to me and since I letter now, ye be there who no official letter no. Ye to me and fan shesuma. And but one fan called Ghana Revenue Authority for workers no let be o match dia come commissioner general e de fa ne ma bi a e cost wo GR ya o money enhye da enye ho then my first one they come commissioner no we me bass let we so my first one they come commissioner no na ye hwe e ho no e de no de let bi akoma commissioner of Ghana Revenue Authority. Yes. So the official letter ye wo GR4 letterhead so asem bi na si wo honum asem ni na etiom ye se adwumafu wo Ghana Revenue Authority say enema bi ekoso a wani enye ho omwani enye ho ena mpanifu eda Ghana Revenue Authority ano so etu na mo bi ama aban committee ska be $17 million a shedwuma de bi mu a sebi fa so bi a sheda ma so ma o man Ghana recruitment bi ekoso a okay wo de ye Benisi Kalkumi and Kokuna Kasa and so this is an official letterhead of Ghana Revenue Authority. Official letterhead. The reference now. Commissioner General, Ghana Revenue Authority Head Office, Accra. Staff concerns 3rd November 2023. And I'm sure that also Ghana Revenue Authority Workers Union as the collective bargaining certificate holder in GRA extends to you compliment. We wish to bring to your attention the following staff concerns for immediate redress. Recruitment. Reliable information available to the union indicates that management has commenced recruitment of personnel into the authority. This recruitment process has been shrouded in secrecy, contrary to Articles 195, 196 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana. C. 8 of the Human Resource Policy Guidelines Manual 2015. The recruitment is taking place at Allied Heights, near Jowlu traffic light, and has been outsourced to a private firm, KPMG. We wish to state unequivocally that the Ghana Revenue Authority is a public service institution, as enshrined in Article 190 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana and Section 7 of Act 482, and shall remain same and managed as such as prescribed under Ghana Revenue Authority Act 2009, Act 791. It will be recalled that organized labor had raised strong concerns about the management of the authority's finances, which currently is in a distressed position. We Ghana Revenue Authority Workers Union. Almost 70 say, almost shortest staff. It was a fabi ebeka. But staffs no more short no. Ghana Revenue Authority, our HR department. Just say oku adwuma bie mu a ye wo enkrabata ba ko mo na hwe won na be fo mo adwuma so etuba mo tim de ha no mu a enye ye general manager ene fa workers adwuma ye HR ene tena se na se bia se joy for na ye pe obi de am mu a na joy pani atim because of the nim no mo pe because recruitment dey HR no adwuma. But details of the recruitment no a unit no Tisabia say Adom brands na epa ene general manager na yafa Abdullah Udu abetem okay pese yafa anachuaba adwa se wa adwuma dia na wo hwede free nipa yafa ne sebo no no adi ne lines ni nyina atowo so nipa bia wo ba sa appointment bia no oba sa guidelines na general manager na yato no na HR be hweso dia fa nipa no umiti sa guidelines no no ba be se okọ but Ghana Revenue Authority adwuma say omo HR sa bi o nanso yefa amanfo adwuma no ye de contract na ma KPMG ankrankra nyuma ko a enye abandia ene ye twie sika de bom se won fa adwuma formra Ghana Revenue Authority wa bre omo wo HR you na recruitment eti wasakra state di amamra na ta akire omo sa de Ghana amamra na sa ta akire amamra ne eka ena afa uko Ghana Revenue Authority Act 2009 Act 791 na almost a state wom near a carnival recruitment ho me so just one kai and somebody and say you wo HR and you jai HR na suo and you say you sika dey free Ghana Revenue Authority na one almost kasem enko ye no Omasa do omasa akobo mo sika me yi sika de akoma KPMG for say mo nyina mo fa nkrofo adwuma fa ma ya GRE. Yeah, just man fa the next paragraph. The next page. And some ho. And some more pa, look at the next page. Can you read all the concerns in the attached letter in order to be abreast with them? The doors of the union are open for any further information that will help in our common cause. Long live GRA, long live solidarity, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so sign. Margaret Watinati, National Secretary. Pachomuni, we have a number one. I'm for my friend. I feel my friend call honest. Yes. The first part. Concerns and also. A doors, papa. Now, we to all staff from the National Secretary of the Union. Dated 15th November 2023. Staff concerns BM. Dear staff of Ghana Revenue Authority. So Ghana Revenue Authority Workers Union, Public Service Workers Union, leadership and members of the Custom Service Staff Association, and well-wishers of Ghana Revenue Authority. Team. The Ghana Revenue Authority has come to a crossroad where we must all unite and have a common front to resist the decadence that seems not to promote the well-being of our staff, the authority, and also a peaceful working environment. Team. We have tabled some staff concerns for consideration by management and deem it appropriate to report same to staff who have given us the mandate to represent them in all issues. As holders of the collective bargaining certificate, we want to give assurance to all staff of GRA that we shall perform our duties pursuant to the provisions of the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, the Labour Act 2003, Act 651, and all relevant resolutions and conventions of the international labour organizations without fear, favor, and intimidation. On this note, we wish to share the concerns that we have sent to management and to inform all staff to be in readiness for any decision that the union will want to take, all geared towards restoring the sanctity and glory. Restoring the sanctity and glory of the authority. Restoring. Anyhow. Any monyam ni mudro ya ewo Ghana Revenue Authority no eniwo ya na mo to ye tu nyina se ye be sakofa sa ni monyam no esade aba we ye workers no and kasa assembly and the mutual reciprocal respect and dignity of all social partners as it used to be in the authority status quo. I'm from the next page. I'm concerns them say e wo mu pa concerns no e wo mu. Ghana Revenue Authority Workers Union is also aware that the ongoing recruitment exercise is being carried out without equal opportunity offered to contract staff, NAPCO interns. ti asemi wa ha o me say enura Florence Asanto bi onim ni bi anka nkyerɛ me say enura me frɛ no 3 days ago Florence me sa frɛ o went me ampeke me nyini sɛ ɛyɛ boapayo me nyini sɛ boapayo I want to believe sɛ why you busy but the first why you busy ne so nkyerɛ sɛ ma yɛn amanfo consensus na mo ɛwɔ no ti asmo mo ka wa hwɛ aban kofa napko ɛbaaye no ye ka kyerɛ sɛ ya ko ye nim no sɛ akonya bi ɛbɛtɔ baabi a ye di omukɔ a ye bɛ form adwuma ahyem ti oni aban ne baaye no de na na do dan kwaku fado me kai ɛda ne ye pa napko ho antoba no asema mapani ɛka nse ko amu kɔyi efihia miensa ne so na baabi a do kɔ hyɛ se akonya eba ho no mu a yensa mo ho nkofa obi foforo esa nsɛm na ya tete mo nya entetie e wo baabi a mo kontino mo ne be fam ahyem na so hwɛ ne yakoso GRA according to the workers nap kofo de do mo kɔ GRA no ya to mo nyina jeje mu eni ye sika de free GRA fo kɔ fasim eni akoma KPM de se onkɔ abonten kɔfa nipa from ayi adwuma awo GRA mi wo ya titi napco trainees baburu finhia miensa napco trainees ya titi o baburu finhia pore miensa abosu makomako adua sensia 36 months and titi na dia mo they are not qualified enough for Amishadai se be consider napco for the omo bra no titi omo no na me say KPM dentisia bonten Akwa nanti mu enko penkrofo a omeya dwuma GRA wa bra GRA na kasa mo obi ntitie mfinhia miensa na national service credit say national service here ko pa adwuma ye ne say 1 year after 3 years you can't trust the competence of nipa na watete no but ya sa disika ma ankronkro bi say ya twauka go and outsource workers for us abra workers no ebi wo ho no this is GRA under Amishadai GRA under Amishadai I want to believe that President Kufuor is not aware of this. I want to believe it. Never can no. I just want to believe sir President Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuor enye aware. Because if the president is aware, the echo so GRA India, then also any Ghana for any year. No what transfer Ghana for, especially Mabra, you don't call Napco no. What transfer the actual. I just want to believe. Say the president has nothing to do with it and he's not aware. Any name will be in TTM Fincham Yensa. Now send the Pallian to me for Juma. But yet is your bontia of funny power for Juma. Are they? And Fincham Yensa. Monsieur the national service amount for you are akonya bom to me adwum kwano 1 year. Napco for come as 1 year national service that day. And was according to tia what GRA Fincham bro miensa. Amisha that's what we for sanko for adwuma. Amisha that's the HR no one na what set the policies and yama eye GRA adwuma for no on trust so bet ya fa nkofo adwuma ti asado man sika enya Amisha da botom sika atie si abonten se fa nkofa ankrankra no ntwe amanfo mehye GRA wa abre wo napko adwumafo no mu a yemfa wo wo ka amanfo so ye mochina bada bia meka yempenfo ne sebi omo atenka no eni ho because sika na ye spend wo man ho no enye omo sika it is 1% pa do say Amisha da sika enko be Ghana sika sei Amisha da se 1% se sebi onti eni sika ne bottom sika eti ko be man Ghana sei e ka usema minka Idea si o President Akufo-Addo person no. Who comes me money? What handy? Mimi ding. Me ma pa o me shadai. Me dem me shadai ko GRA. E de me mo si me mo President Akufo-Addo di no. Wan ni enkobo. Wo me bisa wo. Where am frɛ MPP for say o me me nkasa no. Me say, some me mo President Akufo-Addo di an. Wan di na me mo. Because me ma kwesi sia me dina me ma me hyada akata so ko yadwuma GRA o ana me fa GRA hia me hyada isa nipa wo to me pa obi ko GRA eye president Nana Adom Akufo-Addo and na ye ka say eso how ni sin to be e koso wo mu a me ni obi a mebo ni apart from the president. And President Akufo, this is happening under your regime. And I do want a share napco football. Now we start here. Unemployment Guardian Association of Ghana. Yeah, by a year from them, I be for napco, napco phone and a 2 more years some for a man for you man. I did not credit napco nations and confirm him. Dr. Ibrahim say, Anaso say, Anaso say 1 year. Or napco and Yana Symbium. On found somewhere do almost a crack room place, I'll clench eye. On a side of Buffalo. Adwuma na binding man na ko trainees no eka wa chiro besa busumi sia kwa busumi so eka wa chire I start to be corrected here aban enchia ye akwan ba ni amfa amanfo adwuma aban se me mfa mo matete mo no ya sa de mo ka no na me ka anya hwe kwa ka mo mfom na kasa bi o eka wo mu oni kakra fa gu kadam do mo no so. But under President Nana Adom Akufo-Addo, this is happening. Nipa pretty change from 2008 to 2016. There be a make catch some young one said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say he has his own vision. Because when he tries to share the vision of President Akufo-Addo, 1% krawunya. Medini ya kwesinsia. Father second say koma kingdom heba. Kingdom heba. Kingdom heba. Or the kingdom garlic bitters and a kingdom garlic capsules abedwaso. Eh come on. Che, mas a un tribe. No be nam wo boost immune system no ma ho de emani padwedem. Enkuni fanti antehye wa yare ketenkete eba ne padwem bedi sunkunim no enyine nyina emfamfiri honom. New Kingdom Ginseng power capsules. New Kingdom Ginseng power capsules. Emema duro no meskacho say enye aphrodisiac. Na wom eye duro asa wono mu a ebo sane padwa na mode ba bia sinto obi na yide fro sane ba bema o bema yesem wompam ebeso ani. Tremendous so ya ma de abacho emphasis ya infam na nye kamanye tight. Fumana na me ba eni atimi age ay kama. Kana ba bia todo bi akwansa be ka bi at 24 ni enche Kingdom Herbal Center or Kanshi Drug Lane. At 4 and 0275 804 064. 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or see no challenge. I make out 16 December 2023. Yen nyina ye hye wo Accra International Conference Center. Accra International Conference Center. Adom TV 9 lessons and carols. I said one more ebim. Afikuma we start no. Oh, ye kan wa jahwan. Obia wo kuma we start bia onimi bia ejiremu. 5 p.m. now recap started. 7 p.m. now show now started. The so that to take it in time. Why? Star 713 yeah. 003 star 3 hash. To take it a CA. Ne fatu one na to in time wa when you in time. Multimedia kwa ejidemu. Perez Music ejidemu. KK Fosu ensu ejidemu. Enyan forward bebre and many more for eja wadu ya be ade. Yenjo Accra International Conference until the 16th of December 2023.